They say I'm thinking I'm a farm at the house to make the money in the village. I don't know what they say, but they say I'm dirty. The city people think I'm crazy, cause I'm hustling in dirty. But they don't know that the city is for everybody. I'm gonna go right there, pick up my life and hustle. And I'm gonna boost my hustle. And if I make this money, then go down Malaga. Hey, una go see say my hustle go pay. Then go down Malaga. Hey, and if I make this money, then go down Malaga. Hey, una go see say my hustle go pay. Then go down Malaga. Hey, they tell me slow down. The way the hustle will be saying.
I don't understand. What's up?
Good
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Why they cry?
Nothing, sir.
Nothing, sir. You don't drugs? Why can't they cry?
Nothing, sir.
Nothing, sir. By the way, who you be? And what did they look for here?
The notice board say housekeeping. Apply in person.
Apply in person?
Yes, sir.
Notice picking board. Apply in person. That be the only thing you see there. Read the other one.
Needed urgent.
Eh?
Needed urgent.
No be needed urgent. The other one, read them. Go down. Read the other one with the other one. Read them.
Apply in person.
Apply in person. You don't finish?
You must agree with the GM.
You say?
You must agree with the GM.
Eh?
You must agreement with the GM.
You must agreement with the GM.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready to agreement with the GM?
Totally, sir.
Totally.
Yes, sir. You suffer too much, sir. Just anywhere to sleep and eat.
It's alright.
Yes, sir.
And maybe the GM.
Yes, sir.
So as you don't see me now as the GM, are you still willing and ready to agreement with the GM?
Totally, sir.
Totally.
Yes, sir.
By the way, what you carry for hand?
Pineapple, sir.
Eh?
Pineapple.
Surrender and mercy.
Yes, sir.
Who give you pineapple?
One woman then dash me for that. I beg and somebody they catch me.
One woman dash you pineapple?
Yes, sir. Dash me.
It's sweet?
Very, very.
Very, very.
Yes,
it's alright. You get mine though?
Yes, sir.
Hey. I want them. Hi, this one sand them. He put sand. In the rule line. Eh? He put sand on the rule line.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Ground.
Ground. You need water.
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir. In fact, they don't employ you. Yes. Eh? Make I take. Meaning say you don't start to abide.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. Why this sweat?
No.
Nothing, sir. You mean to make I hold the pineapple? Is that how nice you are?
Yes.
That's fantastic. In fact, automatic signing. They don't employ you.
Yes,
sir. Hold your pineapple.
And if I make this money, then go down Malaga. Hey, una go see say my hustle go pay. Then go down Malaga. Hey, and if I make this money, then go down Malaga. Hey, una go see say my hustle go pay. Then go down Malaga. Hey, they tell me slow down. The way the hustle, say you go blow now.
Juliet, do you know sometimes I'll be praying, let's say before I'll finish singing praises, his phone might just ring. The next thing is Afam is off. We hardly talk these days. He doesn't even have my time anymore. Do you know Afam now keeps late nights?
My dear, I'm so short of words. Afam was never like this. He wasn't.
The one that is killing me most right now is the fact that he doesn't want to talk about it. He doesn't want to say anything. Afam has really changed.
What is going on? What's going on?
I don't know. I wish I can explain it. I don't know anything.
Well, my advice for you as a friend is you need to tread with caution. You just have to.
I don't know whether to say it. I'm regretting this marriage.
No. No. You don't have to say that. No. You don't have to. You can't get tired of your marriage. You can't run away from your home because of problems. That's why you're a woman. Real women don't run away from problems. Rather, they try to solve it.
Juliet, you don't understand, right?
I do. I do, my friend. You have to be strong.
They say I'm thinking I'm a farmer that house to make the money in the village. I don't know what they say, but they say I'm dirty. The city people think I'm crazy, cause I'm hustling in dirty. But they don't know that the city is for everybody. I'm gonna go right there, pick up my life and hustle, and I'm gonna boost my hustle. And if I make this money, then go down Malaga. Hey, una go see say my hustle go pay. Then go down Malaga. Hey, and if I make this money, then go down Malaga. Hey, una go see say my hustle go pay. Then go down Malaga. Hey, they tell me slow down. The way you the hustle no be say you go blow now. Take 'em easy and know that also you can control life. But I want this money and I want to jolly to make this hustle to pay. I'm gonna go right there, pick up a life and hustle. I'm gonna boost my hustle, and if I make this money, then go down Malaga. Hey, una go say my hustle go pay. Then go down Malaga. Hey.
Who is this?
Okay, now woman being. Now the new cleaner and the new cook, please.
Says who?
Oga say me.
I don't understand what you're talking about. Young lady.
Sir.
What's your name?
Uzoma Onyema, sir.
Uzoma Onyema.
Yes, sir.
And you can cook very well?
Now my hobby, sir.
I mean, you can cook very well.
Yes, I like to cook.
So, your qualification, I mean, your educational background.
Yeah, that one. We're not already agree, sir.
Konta, she can cook very well, eh?
Okay, this person is here, tested and trusted. In fact, she, okay, see this person, she know everything. And as a matter of fact, as far as say I dey concerned, now to make sure say, all the things where she will do and well. Okay, happy enter a motor by a motor, leave within the right motor, enter motor. And about ambulance, no enter ambulance.
It's all right, it's all right.
It's okay, sir.
It's all right, eh? If you say so.
I say so.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
I tell you, you see, for this station, anything we I talk. Which soup is that? Oh. Which one be all? I know Egusi, I know Obo, I know Oha, I know Olubu, I don't know all. Which one be all?
Those ones.
Those ones, it go sweet. Those ones, it go sweet. Those ones, it go sweet.
Brother, not now. Can't we leave it tomorrow? Yeah, right away. My love, you're weak. Something came up. I really need to rush out now.
What could that possibly be at this hour of the night?
It's a business call. I've been expecting this call since morning. I'll be back. Probably in the morning. Okay.
You seriously want to go?
You have to run along, please. It's very important. Okay? You have to go. Back in the morning. Hey, sleep well.
You know, I told you, this is issue of money we are talking about here.
I know. My sister will not allow me to spend the night outside.
So, you know what?
Don't stop thinking. Stop.
Let me
I will think about it. I will think about it.
Any amount you want, I am going to give you.
I know that. You're so naughty. You're so naughty.
Anything you want?
Chidima, what are you doing here? And who is this guy?
He's my friend. He's my friend, sir.
Your friend?
Yes, sir.
So Chidima, your sister sent you out to buy stuffs needed for the house. And you know how urgent it is. Here, if you know what is good for you now, before the count of 3, enter this car.
Wait. Mr. Man, she is old enough to take care of herself and make decisions for herself.
You say?
Who is this guy?
Did you hear what I just said now?
Yes, sir. It's my sister.
And so fucking what? And so what? Your sister's husband. Mr. Man, let me tell you. Please, leave here. I said leave here. If you get me angry, just look at me very well.
Go and enter that car now. Do you want me to? Silly thing. And you see you? Anywhere you see me in this town, run. I know your face now.
You're a very big mugu. Big one at that.
Did you just call me a mugu?
Capital mugu. Capital one. That is what you are.
Very stupid.
Go and enjoy. It's my birthday. I will forgive you. I will not allow you to spoil my birthday. I'll
Mark your face and your car number. I'll give you.
One push, one kid torture. In as one day, one, but I'm one kid. In our body, one year, one. I'm policy. I'm
Honey. have to warn your sister. There are limits to what I can take. If she wants to live that kind of wayward lifestyle, not under my roof.
No.
Imagine this girl. I saw her smooching a guy outside, on the road.
What happened to you? Eh? Talk to me now, what?
Uncle slapped me.
Afam, why would you slap her like that?
Is it that you didn't hear what I just said?
Hey.
Huh?
Did he wound you?
He slapped me with my right cheek.
Paining you?
Yes.
Afam, please, in case of next time, do not try that again. I beg you, please.
Wait, is that why? So I don't have right to slap her?
Nah, this people say, I need to change all these tank. Sometimes, yeah. Who's Oma?
Come now. Yeah, you see me from top of this place. You know they ask me say, you know see me. I know see no be come. I know see no be say make I come.
So, see, now we be say nobody dey house. I don't come out. I foresee make you bring the food, my food. Come inside, make we eat together. You know, see that room. Since we come this place, you never try to enter that room. Say make me and you. So, carry the food, come. Make me and you sit down, eat them. This is why they talk. They look me like say I get typhoid. Again.
You know where now? Make I carry your food, come. Hey, Uzuma, hey, Uzuma. I can't come your room, eat and there. Why?
Uzuma, why can't they talk like say, no be our agreement, no be agree say, you know be our agreement?
We agree, say I go follow your instruction totally.
So what in the bad? If I say make you carry food, come inside, make me and you sit down, make you they do, make me and you.
Yeah, look my breast. Aye, this is baptismal water. I like this baptism.
You look my breast. You dey mad? Now which kind talk with that? May I carry the food, come your room, make we eat am for them. Your head correct. You dey hear what you dey talk, sef?
Uzoma.
Huh?
Uzoma, what is safe? The first time he poured me this water, I was very glad. I thought it was a baptismal water. I don't know say you get bad thing for mine. See, make I tell you. Okay, maybe the first time we come for this place, our initial agreement, maybe say you go do anything right up. Wouldn't it wrong for me to say, come inside, make we eat together? You didn't hear the big go to do this. Yeah? What's bad there inside? Say I tell you, so okay, come inside, no be the agreement with me and you agree before.
How? You be very foolish person. Because since I come this house, I dey respect you. I dey give you good food, serve your food well. Then you come stand there now with your hunchback and your bow leg. They talk what I don't know.
Eh? See, make I tell you, Uzoma. See, make I tell you. You sake of say, we do this. Me and you talk the same now. You won't come begin. You don't want to come fulfill your agreement because of say, Oga don't employ you. See, make I tell you. If na that one they give you the bravado, if na that one they give you the muscle. Make you remember say for inside Bible, then talk say when nation they think say they don't stand well, but they look very very well because they fit fall. See your matter, you see your matter. I go table your matter, give her. I say matter of fact. Shut up.
You don't fit do anything.
I don't fit do anything.
Shut up.
No, wait. Who's Oma? You say I don't fit do anything. Who's Oma? Watch him. If I no report your matter, give her. If Oga no sack you, come off for this place. Call me Nama.
Nama.
Oga never sack you now. I tell you, if Oga no sack you, they call me Nama. Oga never sack you. If Oga no sack you, you come. See, Uzoma, make I tell you, you see this place where you work. Have it in mind that today na the last day we go work for this place. If Oga no sack you, I will sack myself. If it is that they lie, or your back room. Come on, bet. Uzoma, bet. Bet.
Yeah.
Why?
Emeka, why me? What have I done to deserve this?
Sister, stop lamenting. Yes, stop lamenting. I told you, of all the spiritualists I went to see, they all said the same thing. Yes, they said she's alive. So, I mean, Asaba is a small place. It's a small town. Moreover, I've reported to the police, and they are all assisting in looking for her. So we'll find her.
The spiritualist said my daughter is alive.
Yes.
Uzoma, my daughter is alive. God will punish Afam and Udoka. After all Uzoma did for them, this is what Afam paid my daughter with. Yeah. Somebody will do the same thing to him. Somebody will do the same thing to him. I'm telling you the truth. Hey!
Sister, remove Afam and Udoka from this. Yes. It's Uzoma's fault. If I had taken her to the city, we won't be talking of her missing or not by now.
Like I was saying before, I need to go to the market and fix some things, you know, like we used to do it before.
Okay. No, there's no problem. I'll have to speak to him to, you know, tell him the latest development, then we push from there.
Oh, no problem.
All right, no problem.
Good afternoon. Good dream. Good afternoon. Yes.
You are looking beautiful.
Thank you.
Okay, Afam, let me rush.
Okay, it's all right.
I will see you. Okay, no problem.
You're leaving already?
Yeah, I have to go.
Hope I'm not pursuing you.
No.
How far?
Udo,
Far.
how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm okay. Always looking good.
Thank you. Afam, what is happening? What is the problem?
Did I tell you I have a problem?
You didn't tell me, but there's a problem, and you know it. I'm your friend, though, so just stop all these surprise looks. Eh? What is the problem? What is happening? Did Chika offend you? Huh?
You're still confusing me.
She called me. She was crying bitterly. She was complaining.
Why?
Afam, she says you go out at night and come back the next day. In fact, sometimes you wake up at midnight and go out and come back the next day afternoon. Yeah! Why would you do that?
You of all people should know how all of these works. My business is the problem. I have this project I'm pursuing, so it's taking my time.
You're no longer single. Gone are those days. You're married now, so whatever you're doing, you tell your wife.
But that is the main reason I have to double my hustle. For the fact that I'm married.
We're saying the same thing. Tell her. Put her through. So she doesn't get worried. That's what I'm talking about.
But I also do put her through though. Just that my wife wants me to be there all the time. It does. Okay, fine. I will have to talk to her. Yes, she's in. Women, you don't have money. It's a problem. You're busy chasing for money. It's also a problem.
Why are you getting serious? What did he say? He didn't say anything. Why are you getting serious?
My love, please. I'm sorry. Forgive me. I was only hustling for our future and our unborn children.
Afam, I was happy marrying you.
I just want us back. Like the way we used to be. That's all.
Same here, my love. I was the happiest man the day you said yes to me. I've always been a responsible husband, you know. Just that I had lots on my sleeve. That's what takes my time. But I promise you, I will have our time more these days. Just say anything you want me to do for you, I will do it.
Nothing.
You have to say something. Just say anything.
Nothing. I'm fine. I just want you.
Me?
Yes.
Okay, and what? What else?
Nothing.
Say something.
No!
Come.
No.
Just say.
Seriously, nothing.
Can I say something?
Okay. Looks like we have someone to help us.
So what?
Mama, guess what? Auntie Zoma called me. Who? She called me. Auntie Zoma called me. Let me call her. Sit down, let me call her. Fast. Let me call her.
Be fast.
No. Ringing now. Wait.
Give it to me. Hey, who's Mama? Hello? Who's Mama? Hey, you are alive. How are you?
I told you.
Hey, I'm so happy. Where are you? Here! I have looked for you and I almost died. Who's Mama? Hey! Do you know that I told you Doka not to come to my compound again until they found you? Hey! Yes! I am your mother. Thank God you are alive. I'm dancing here, Mama. Here! Hey! Don't worry. Hey, Chimo. Yes, my daughter. Come home, fast. Hey, I'm waiting for you. I'm going to kill a cow with bull. Anything you want me to kill, you go all I take.
Mama, I told you. Now you can dance.
Hey.
Dance very well, Mama.
Hey.
Dance very well.
Yes. My daughter.
Mama, I told you.
Now, can you tell me about it?
Calm down.
Please calm down. I can't wait anymore. Tell me.
Wait. Chidima. Sister.
Please come. I'm still waiting.
Go to my handbag. Collect 5,000 naira. Use it to buy what we used to do by soup here.
Okay, sister. I should go to the market.
Yes. Okay, sister.
Sorry. Welcome.
Alright, come back fast.
I really now. Can you leave Chidima and talk to me?
Okay. He apologized for Udoka.
Oh my God! You don't mean it.
I'm being for real right now. You got me some goodies.
Oh, so romantic.
You can say that again.
What?
So it's like as if, we just started dating again. From the sitting room to the bedroom, I had it like never before.
I can imagine.
Can you say? You can imagine. Really?
Am I not allowed to imagine things anymore?
Let me tell you, you see this place, you're going to leave this place. It's my fault. It's my fault. You're leaving this place. You expected who?
Look at you. Before you came to this place, we had an agreement. And now you are thwarting the agreement because Oga has employed you. But let me tell you, whichever way you are seeing it, I'm going to tell you that I am the person that made you work here, and I will also make you live here. Live here also.
Oh, okay, make we talk.
What do they talk? Live here also. Live here. I'm telling you. And you are the head to our discussion. Now, let me tell you, I'm not interested. You're going to leave this. If it is Oga, that means you're going.
No, tell him I beg. I go do what you say make I do. I beg.
You sure?
I beg.
You go do what I tell you say make you do.
Yes.
Who's Oma?
I go do.
I know they for GPT. Come on, if you know you're going to do it, give me a hug. Give me a hug now. Let me be sure.
Okay, don't come.
Okay, don't come. Give me a hug now. Oh, go and get it. Oga don't come. Yes, sir.
Where is Uzoma?
Uzoma?
Yes, Uzoma.
She's inside.
You are confused.
No. I'm not confused. I'm trying to look at the way she passed. She passed like this, enter.
If they send me away from here now, where I want to go? Back to hunger. Oh, baby, just give me that. If they drive me here now, what I have to do? Hey, sir. Welcome, sir.
Who is sending you away?
Sir?
I mean, who is sending you out of this house?
Okunta, sir.
Okunta? For what? Okunta! Okunta!
Hello, Oga. Good afternoon. Welcome, sir. Uzoma, what are you still doing here? You're supposed to go inside and prepare food for Oga to eat. You know very well that Oga doesn't eat late at night. I kept telling you, advising you, but you wouldn't learn. Why?
Shut up! Shut up your mouth. That is not why I called you here. Now tell me, why are you sending her out of this house?
Sir? Uzoma, who want to send you away?
That's what you said now.
Me?
That's what you say. You say if I no come sleep for your room, say you go drive me come off for here.
What? Innocent like me? How could I have said a thing like that? Okay, you know very well. Okay, you know that I'm innocent. The last time I came back from confession, okay, I told you what I confessed and the Holy Communion they gave to me. How can this girl, why will this girl stand before me and lie against me that I said? Okay, as a matter of fact, you know very well, I took an oath of celibacy. For 10 years, I said, I have not even used this thing. 6 months out of these 10 years, I have not used. And this girl opened her mouth. That I said, if she don't come to my room, I will send her away. Okay, the thing I said was, I told this girl, based on the oath of celibacy that I took, if she dare come into my room, I am going to send her away. Okay, is it a bad thing?
Okunta, listen to me. Okunta, I know you very well.
Oh, Oga knows me very well. That
Will you shut up for once? Yes, at your running mouth. Is something wrong with you, Okunta? You think I didn't understand what you wrote at the gate? Eh? No, Okonta, tell me. You must be very careful. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
You must be very careful.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Uzama, come with me to the car. I have some gifts for you. I brought you clothes.
Thank you, sir.
You know you will like it. Okay. Jesus.
You see these slippers? You know, we see them again. These slippers, in fact, you're going to go on one leg. I will not give you these slippers again. Nonsense. Because Oga promised bought you clothes. You came to this place now and was doing 360 degree for clothes. Nonsense.
Make sure you buy all that is listed here. And do not forget anyone.
Okay, sister. I won't. Let me go serve the back.
And Chidema,
sister,
please be fast.
All right, I will.
Come back fast.
Okay.
Bye. Come here. Honey, where's she going to?
To the market to get some foodstuffs.
To which market?
I want her to go get some foodstuffs.
Wait for me at the car. I am going to drop you to wherever you're going to. Are you deaf?
We're going to the market.
Honey, I have told you to stop sending this girl out all by herself. She has started seeing men.
But she's not a baby anymore. She can go.
No, she cannot go alone. She can't get pregnant under my roof. It would be a shameful thing to us.
Okay, it's fine. If you insist, you can take her. It's fine.
I'm going to Godwin's place for a meeting. From there, I'll go to the ATM. So it's preferable I drop her off. When I'm done, I pick her back. Is that okay by you? It's fine. Please.
A good heart is good. Is good. Is good. A better heart is the best. You. No matter what you do, it's always being good to you. A good heart is good. Yo, a good heart is good to you. Is good. Is good. A better heart is the best. Yo, is the best. If for solo see me best, it's always being good to you. A good heart is good. Yo. All the way.
You see this thing you're trying to see? Perhaps looking for.
When you find it, do not run. Don't say I didn't tell you. Don't say I didn't tell you, Chidema.
But I'm not looking for anything.
You're not looking for anything.
Just keep doing what you're doing.
Yeah, hello? Oh, okay, I'll be right there. No, just tell him to wait, I'm coming. Now. Okay.
A good heart is good to you. A better heart is the best.
If I had known, I wouldn't have allowed this girl to work in this place. If I had known that this girl would come and have eyes on Oga, on Chief, I wouldn't have allowed her working. Imagine, I have worked with Chief for how many years now? Chief he has never thought it wise to buy me a single cloth. Look at Uzoma. Uzoma clothes everywhere. Uzoma has clothes everywhere.
Please. Come on, help me and put on the gel. I want to blend fruits for
what? See, let me tell you. You think you're sharp? You think you're smart, Abi?
Why you the best?
Why you the talk?
Maybe I will enjoy this house together.
Enjoy. Look at you. Enjoy when you have already told us everything. What is there to enjoy?
We enjoy the food while they cook.
Enjoy
So, you don't notice the new clothes I wear? What you buy for me? Eh? Go on, Jess. I go on, Jess. Pass, go on.
Your mother, your father.
Take a easy and know that also you can control life. But I want this money, and I want to jolly to make this hustle to pay. I'm gonna go right there, pick up a life and hustle. I'm gonna boost my hustle, and if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, when I go say my hustle go pay, then go down balaga. Hey. And if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey. When I go say my hustle go pay, then go down balaga. Hey. And if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey. When I go say my hustle go pay, then go down balaga. Hey. And if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey. When I go say my hustle go pay, then go down balaga. Hey. They tell me slow down.
Hey.
The way the hustle no be say you go blow now. Take a easy and know that.
What did you just do?
Oh my God, sir. You're not sleeping. Sir, you know they sleep. They pain me. They worry about you, sir. You dey work hard too much. As I come now, I can't look the drink. Don't they enter? Oh, sir, they worry for you because you stress yourself too much.
Thank you very much for your concern. But that is not my question. Why do you have to take my drink? Huh?
Oh, sir, I dey worry for you. Oh, my spirit don't dey low. I dey worry for you because you dey stress yourself too much. As I reach here now, I see the glass just dey full. You know, attend to, you know, drink am. It dey pain me. Now I can't drink am.
It's all right. It's all right. Thank you very much for the advice, eh?
I'm gonna go right there.
Go and have my
pick up a life and hustle. I'm gonna boost my hustle. And if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, when I go say my hustle go pay, then go down balaga. Hey, and if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, when I go say my hustle go pay, then go down balaga. Hey, and if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, a good heart is good. A better heart is the best, you. No matter what you do, it's always being good to you. A good heart is good. A good heart is good to you. A better heart is the best, you.
Jesus! What happened to you, baby?
Honey, don't get scared. There's nothing serious.
Oh my God, what happened?
No, it's just bike people. I saw them fighting. I'm trying to separate them. All of this.
Are you sure you're not injured?
I'm fine. It's just their blood stains. I'm fine. I need to run along. I have a very important meeting to attend to. Let me change. Okay?
Are you sure?
I'm fine. It's just their blood stains. Nothing.
Always thinks for the way forward. What to do to please all these people, oh. But no matter what you do, no matter how it goes, a good heart is good. A good heart heart is good. It's good. It's good. A better heart.
Hello? Juju? Yes. Is Chidinma at your place? Oh my God, I'm finished. She went out since morning with my husband and I've been trying to call her. She hasn't been picking my calls since then. Yes! He's not picking too! Hey. Yes. I'm fine. I'll try. I'll be calm. Alright, good night. Where's Chidinma?
Chidinma? Is she not back?
No.
How?
She's not back since you guys left. And I've been calling her since morning. She hasn't been picking my calls.
Since morning?
Yes. Since morning you dropped her off.
How is that possible?
This is so strange. Where is she? Where could she have gone to?
I dropped her there. And when I was done, I went back there to pick her up and the attendant said she left. You mean she hasn't been back since then? Oh my God. My love, you see? This is what I've been telling you. Your sister has started living a bad life.
She hasn't done this before. This is like the first time she's staying out this long. This is so strange.
Well, strange things starts in a day. See what I was telling you? My love, let's go to bed. Chidinma is fine. Probably she's with that same guy that I wonder about.
Sleep is the last thing on my mind right now. I couldn't even cook. I haven't had anything since.
Let's go, don't worry. I'm hungry, so you're indirectly saying there's no food for me. Huh?
I couldn't cook anything. I couldn't.
So I'm going to bed without food. Let's go.
Buy your buns here. Sweet buns. Buy buns here. Sweet buns. Buy buns here.
I want buy. I want buy sweet buns.
Okay, madam.
Hold on, no.
How much on you want?
Small, that plenty, Zeb. This your box. Na your own.
No, my own.
You just fry the pop, put that inside. What you come out inside before you put the pop? It will be like paper.
No.
So the box na your own.
Not my own.
Now you get her.
What's this? Give me my boss. Give me my boss. Come on now. Give me my boss. Give me my boss.
Release the boss. Release the boss. Release the boss. Release. I said release. Release. Again.
Give my boss.
Come on.
Wait. You don't know where you dey.
Look at the politician's house. Now there, now you dey. If you don't know.
Chief Godfrey, when they run for Senate, na house now you dey so. All this way doesn't use your hunchback from the person wey get this election material, so where you go escape book pop off.
Come. Where the
abeg.
Where the
Hey.
Where the paper? Move inside.
Move and go inside.
Mama, what did I do?
You don't know what you don't come into.
You the grace. Also, where?
Say you drop my pop.
You don't go even pity me. Are they breathe? Where the papers? Where they inside this place? Where you use pop exchange? Where you keep them?
More move and go inside.
No paper.
More move and go inside.
Okay.
All your other map don't share into four from pop boy in the chop.
You the great. If you chop inside the chop, you will get that.
Hey, ma. Pack the pot. Pack am. We dey move and go headquarters. If I got reach here today, even you go repent. Move back.
my boss. Give my boss. I don't go anywhere. Give my boss. Give my boss. I don't go anywhere. Give my boss. Give my boss. Give my boss. Give my boss. Mother, leave me now.
You're not finished.
Hey, Soga. Hey.
Stop, sir.
What is going on here?
Sir.
What is happening here?
I just said make I come outside. I take fresh air.
Yes.
Still think about this my life. How they go and how you come be. Now I see this woman. Electoral material. He carry her, he throw everybody who vote for you. He carry puff, he load her for the bag. No be arrest her. As I arrest her now, Oga when they begin to try to puff like say that boiled egg, you don't swallow plenty things.
You dey grace? What you concern me for the matter?
No, wait.
Okay.
Electoral box.
Yes, sir. See her here.
This
girl.
girl.
Come out the paper, people will vote. Replace her with pop. Replace her with pop. You're not finished. It's still a play.
I'm gonna lie you.
Throw away the electoral material. Put pop. Put pop.
You go carry me now. Meaning get up and I'll go to pure water.
I don't understand. You may go in.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Let me handle it myself. Now tell me.
Okay, I don't know why this guy carry the electoral material. Come go hide somewhere, come carry pop, they deceive the public. Okay, Ife?
Hey.
And again, if they give you that office, my profile self will right.
What business has this with electoral?
Oh.
Okay, maybe this place they take those paper. I cast your vote, no decide here.
Jesus. We don't make it.
They don't finish my bones.
It's all right.
You just finish my bones.
Where in this country will somebody steal an electoral box before the election day?
Oh, election never hold.
Huh?
Never hold.
You say? I don't understand.
Oh. Don't see her.
Sir? You know,
Uzoma, I don't understand.
I just calculate and say, now the rate I feel do for you now be this. If you win this election, now my level 2 go upgrade it more. So I think maybe they don't do election, then she don't move the box, she don't offload people who vote, come pop inside. I don't make mistakes, sir.
We don't fuck up.
He has already finished my boss.
That's all right, woman. What actually happened?
Oga, I carry my box, they go. As I say my boss. Now this woman can't call me. I think say he won't buy boss. Now she can't drive me here. This one can't eat my muffin.
Your father.
You don't finish my muffin.
Who be this one?
You shut up your mouth! Shut up! Don't be stupid. Madam.
The girl also know eat you put. Sir? No.
That's all right.
The girl also know chop you joy.
Uzoma. It's all right. Woman, please manage this.
Thank you, sir.
Please wake at it.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Go. Carry your boss.
Okay. I don't even ask the girl what
I don't know what is wrong with you people.
Sir, I know we miss her.
I don't know what is wrong with you people. Will you continue to disgrace me like this?
No, sir. You said that who?
How will people hear that I have non-entity in this house?
See, sir, you get non-entity, I don't know.
You meet me inside.
Are you sure she's not scared of taking your calls? Huh? Just call her number now, so I'll try calling her.
Okay. Her number is 081.
Switched off.
This is serious.
How do I begin to explain to mother right now? How do I tell my mother that 2 of her daughters, one is now missing? How?
Calm down. It hasn't gotten to that. Hopefully we'll continue with the search and something positive might come up.
Let's not start.
I hope it's not what I'm thinking. I hope it's not what I'm thinking. Oh.
What are you thinking? I can't even remember. I think yellow dress or something. I remember. That's one of those things. What I always complain. Now see. What I'm saying it to look like I'm stupid. Just look at. Let's ask some people here. See if they can. See if you call Mama with your phone. I've been trying to reach.
No, don't even try to involve my mother into this.
You know how dramatic she could be. No, I don't want her to start thinking it's something serious because let her be for now. I just hope she's fine wherever she is. Oh.
Stop, she's fine. Nothing will happen to her. Okay?
Teacher, please, can you stop? She's fine. She's okay. Afam, in exact words, what happened?
Stop this thing now. Look at this bad man. Okay, what are you doing? When I want to kill yourself, look at this stupid man. Why you are you stupid? Nah. See me now, see my life now, see me now. I carry this idiot for my bike. Okay, call me idiot. I carry him to come for here. He carry 1,000 naira, give me this early morning. And then I send that boss, they give me 1,000 naira. What's in the one? I carry the 1,000, give him back. 15 naira. You refuse to give me my choice. Start fighting me. I stop, but no beer. Go see the guy. I tried the 1,000 give him back. He just leave me the water. Which kind of sense with that? It is all. You want time to say your man as soldier? No. You want time to say your man? You want time to say your man? No. Leave my friend. Wait.
So that was it. I saw two bike men fighting, and they were ready to kill each other. So on trying to separate them, one of them stabbed the other one. That was how I got the blood stains. Nothing else.
Please, Chichi,
I just said my sister has not been kidnapped.
Nothing happened to her. Stop, Dikeh. Oh, she's fine.
Fine. Where?
Just sit down. Fine,
Hey. Why did I send that to the market? I didn't have sent that out.
Find it. Stop.
Gentlemen, your polling unit is at Nkwagu. Unit 1. I said Unit 1. I want you to be there to make sure that the unit and other units are well secured. I have already sent some policemen there, and I want you to put up forces and join them to make sure that the whole units are very secured. And then direct the voters, all right? And after the vote, who is there? Who is there?
Hey, it's me, sir. I was just checking to see if you wanted anything.
Not exactly. Thank you very much. You may go. No, I said, you can go. Go. Hmm? So, like I was saying, we have to be very, very careful. We have to be careful. We have to work hard. Because if we are not careful, we might lose the election. Thank you very much. You may go.
Problem? For where?
Oga, they try to rig the election. Eh? I'm telling you, very bad.
No, Oga, a good man. Oga, a good man.
Oga, bad. Why we go try to? Oh no, this is bad.
Oga, a good man. Rig. I know rig now. Rig no be that one what we did for primary school. We do.
No.
Him. See.
The one will be safe. If you don't win, you go say na him win.
See. Shut up your mouth. Uzoma, see what you could do now. Very importantly, I dey hungry. Make you go inside, go cook something, bring, make I chop. That one be the most important one. I am very, very hungry, famished.
Okay, Assistant Chief. You want that with juice?
Put kidney and liver. Fat one. Come now. Come make I tell you. This girl, one girl. You.
Look, Chika, from what you told me, I think your sister is not alive. Either she must have been kidnapped or used for money ritual.
No! That's not possible. Please do not say that again about my sister. Please, I beg you.
Listen, I know your sister to be main freak. I know she likes good cars. She likes entering lifts so long as the car is beautiful. I know she likes good things. She can be stupid sometimes, but not to stay away from home.
Hey! Please, what do I do? She's the only sibling I've got. What do I do?
You know what? I will have to take you to my pastor. Dikeh, good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
Why you still cry? I'm fine. Chichi, stop now.
Why would I cry with all these things happening around me now? What do you expect from me?
I told you, we are going to find your sister. You will see her sooner than you think. Pico, you talk to her now.
Chika, you have to eat something, even if it's little. Just eat something, please.
You need to eat, though. You really need to eat. Please, because of your condition, please.
I'm not hungry.
You need to eat, though. In this your condition, you have to eat. Ha! Oh.
Wait. Condition? Chika, what condition is she talking about?
She's pregnant.
Really? You're pregnant? This is what I've been wanting to hear. But how come Udoka found out before me?
Juju, please, that's not the case. Biko, that's not the case. Chichi, you need to eat. And your food is at the dining. Biko, you need to eat now. I'm begging you, that child needs food. You need to eat.
Please stop crying. You want me to cry? Stop crying, please. Can you?
Yeah, let me papa you, because that's what you like, You see your sister very soon. Stop crying.
I want to see my sister. I want to see Chichi.
You will. Stop crying.
When was the last time you set your eyes on your sister?
Man of God, just few days ago.
It is well. There is nothing the Lord cannot do, for He is the author and finisher of our faith. So I believe He will do all things. Just have faith and have confidence in him. Continue praying and read Psalms. I believe your sister will return back safely.
Hey.
Okay? In this our local church, he has done countless testimonies. He has done it that eyes could not believe what they saw. Few months ago, a woman that was looking for a child for 9 years conceived and delivered safely in this our commission. A child that was kidnapped in the hands of the kidnappers. We prayed and the child was returned safely. So I believe there is nothing that he cannot do. Just have confidence in him and everything will be okay. Continue praying. Prayer is the master key. Don't listen to anything any other person will tell you, but believe in God and he will do it. Okay?
Amen.
Okay?
I believe in God.
Yes, he will do it. Let me just lead you in prayer. Huh?
Hello, Chief, trust me. Trust my team and I. We are very close to him. Yes. Don't worry, he will die. Don't worry. He will die. Leave it for me, trust me. He will die. Leave it for me.
Yes. That good. We go kill him after election. Yes, we go kill him. Yeah?
I greet you, boss.
Thank you. Is Chief in?
Chief?
Yes.
Chief is in.
Yeah. Uzoma.
Sir?
Uzoma.
Yes, sir.
Who locked up the doors?
I, sir.
For what?
For security, sir.
What security?
Your safety.
No. Are you insane? Are you mad?
Yes, sir. I dey mad. Because I don't already advise you, I don't beg you, as you not agree here, I know if you leave you, may you go kill yourself. Now to make I secure the entire place.
I think you must be joking, eh? Anyway, Uzoma, please come and open this door.
I don't go fit, sir.
Uzoma, I said come and open this door for me.
I don't go fit, sir.
Eh? Where's Okonta? Okonta!
Oga, I didn't inside this place, so she locked me. I don't even feel come outside.
Oh, she locked you up too? No, I don't understand what you mean. Are you insane?
Okay, because today na election. And I know say they won't kill you outside. You don't too bless my life. I know if you leave you, may you go die there like how.
Who will kill me? Nobody. Nobody can kill me.
Okay, na so everybody dey always talk until they die.
Listen, Uzoma, if I drop down from this place, I will destroy you. Come and open this door. I want to go out.
Sir, once you jump down, I wound your wound last. Okay, tie your body.
Which body? Huh? Which body?